We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret.
Sobrang ano.
I don't know what I was thinking when I counted you out. The moment I could see it clearly, there was never any doubt. Twiddling my feet in the water below. I just wanted you to know that I will stay here, waiting in the corner for you. If you're not bitter, we could do what you wanna do. I would never try to hide from you in a crowd. There were times.
Oh, it's your favorite, sweetheart. Don't be mad.
Naku ba?
Kunti lang. Ang dami. Kanina pa yung tulog. Good morning, Natalia.
Yeah, you wanna put that dish in your mouth.
Wish you could slide into my mind and make me mine. Push play rewind. It's sweet outside and
Ito
so
lang
am
may
I. You wanna slide
mind shot.
like dynamite. Hey, your eyes on me, find out with me, baby. Yeah, next round on you, I'll take that too. Be good to you, my appetite.
Very good. Sese niya na naman ng patuti.
What?
You're so happy, I said.
Where are we going?
Gonna go to the beach. Second floor kami.
You need to change.
Magpapalit lang kami ng pang swimming. Oh no! She wanted to wear her rubber shoes at the beach. Look. Because in California, she's used to playing at the sun with her rubber shoes on. Because she can't swim because the water is so cold. And it's different here. It's warm here. You can swim. Just wear your sleeper.
Okay.
Gusto niya talagang mag-rubber shoes. Oh no.
I ain't got money else.
Oh no. There's a little rascal. Oh, talagang pinanindigan niya. Oh, she really wore it.
Hey, the door is locked.
She really wore her rubber shoes. Good luck.
Hey, the door is locked. The door is locked.
Ayan guys, mag-ready na tayo. At kailangan natin maglagay ng sunscreen. Ayoko yung nabili ni mahal na sunscreen eh. Neutrogena, 70 lang. Hindi siya nakakita ng beach hat na sunscreen. Mas maganda yun eh. Buti pa kay baby beach hat. Ito. Yung gusto kong mabili niya eh. Maganda to eh. Itong sunscreen na to. Eh wala. Ito yung nabili niya. So ito na naman ulit yung swimsuit natin. Alam na, nagtitipid. Hindi na kailangan bumili ng bago. Pwede na yung luma. Diba? Ito, talagang pinanindigan niya yung niya yung outfitan niya. Tignan niyo. Siya gusto niya mag-rubber shoes. Kasi diba sa California,
I got a running nose.
sa California, lagi lang siyang nakapang-alis, tapos may rubber shoes, tapos naglalaro lang siya sa sand. Ayan, nakaganyan siya. Tapos ito, masama yung pakiramdam. Ayan, tignan niyo. Kalat ng kama. Ayan, si Mal, masama pakiramdam niya. Ayan sila. Hey, are you ready?
Yeah.
Really? Can I see?
Yeah.
Good luck with that rubber shoe.
Tignan mo, mahal, kinuha yung sapatos ko. Papasukin mo sa akin. Ma!
Oh, no! Oh, okay. Okay, I'm not gonna take any video. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Naka-shoes ka, punta ang beach, naka-shoes ka.
Oh no, this rascal. Come on. Come on, hurry up your vlog. Come on.
Mom, it's done for the picture. Not?
Oh, come on. You're ready, right?
Andiyan yung slippers mo.
Yeah.
Not gonna swim. Not gonna swim in the pool.
I found you, baby. Found you, baby. Found you. I love you, baby. I love you. Ready?
You're so cute. I want to take a lot of pictures of you.
Already.
Yeah, we're all done with that. You already had your cereal, right? Yeah?
Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
Going to the beach.
We're going to the beach.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know that I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. What you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
Oh no! Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Nagluto si Tali. Hindi ka nang kaalat yung tubig. Parang Boracay lang din. Look, ano sa mata ko.
Lagyan ng buhangin.
Ang linaw lang ng tubig. Tingnan nyo guys.
Yay!
Tapos okay naman yung breakfast nila kanina. Yes. Sobrang happy yung buling-ling namin. Tapos guys, wala, malinis yung dito sa may pangpang. Walang mga naglalagay ng mga gamit. Nandun lahat sila dun sa may ano. Sa may kubo. Na may ano tawag doon? Oo, nandun lahat sa cottage. Chill lang sila, ganyan. Tapos wala masyadong mga crowd. Sobrang ano, halos walang tao. Konti lang.
Andun sa swimming pool yung iba.
Andun sa swimming pool yung iba, mga bata.
Doser.
Yes. So, tingnan nyo yan guys. Ang warm pa ng tubig. Nakakamiss kasi sa California, hindi ka na makaka-swimming doon. Mag-yelo ka doon.
Lalabasin ka
White
lang
beach
pag
pa,
ano,
oh.
pag umahon ka kasi ano,
Saka pag yung wind.
medyo mahangin.
Pag umahon ka mainit eh.
Ha?
Oo, wala yung lamig. Kasi mainit. Ganun siya.
Makakulang lang ako sa tulog. Kaya nilalamig.
We're so happy.
Tan. Happy pa ako.
Yung kulay. Tapos halos walang tao guys. Saya-saya, sulit na sulit.
Tignan mo, tapang.
Tignan mo yung anak namin. Lumalayo na siya sa amin guys. Masyado na siyang matapang na yun. Kasi namimili pala siya. Ang gusto niya is white beach.
Ito pala yung white.
Akala niya yung swimming pool is may pati. Tapos yung beach, chill lang siya.
Pero white po dun sa ano, diba? Sa California, ayaw mo ano sa tubig.
Oo, gusto niya pala white beach kasi yung beach doon, pasensya na gumagalaw yung camera. Yung ano dito, maputi oh. Ayan.
Parang Boracay na yung buhangin. Parang Boracay talaga, no?
Nakasa yung
Ano nga lang to? Kasi yung sa Boracay, di ba may mga tindahan,
oo.
yung mga nag-aalok ng mga ano.
Ito mas ano, chill siya.
Dito parang wala.
Parang exclusive lang. Ganun ang pig. Parang Shangri-La siguro ang datingan eh.
Pag-renta ka ata sa mga Ari, mga bangkari, rentahan mo yata, mismo sa hotel ata yun.
Tapos ano, yung hotel namin, 4-star hotel. Pero yung room namin, parang hindi pang 4-star hotel. Parang pang 3 to 3 star ang hotel.
Sapat lang, pero
Oo,
okay naman.
pero
malinis.
care lang, ang panlaban kasi nila itong beach. Tapos may pool, yung paligid nila, parang ano lang, serene, chill lang.
Thank you.
One, two, three, smile! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no.
Ay, sinukaan ka! Sinukaan ka niya! Oh no, she vomit!
You vomit on my head.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me.
Mukha ka tahimik.
Caught on the video! You vomited on daddy! Hi guys! Okay, we're not...
Not looking back. Eyes on the freeway. Bonnie and Clyde.
I'm here.
A classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hello! What are you doing? Are you trying to build a sand castle? Huh? Wow! Can you look at me? I'll just take a photo of you, okay? Look at mommy, look what I got here. Look at mommy.
Standing here a while,
Can you look at mommy?
take it all in. Waves play outside.
Ali, look at me. Oh, I have a fish in my hand.
There, smiling at
Ali, look at the spider.
as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you.
Bakit mamaya ka? Wait lang, wait lang. Yes. I'll just take a picture of you. Smile.
If only I could do one thing, I'll be with you. It is true.
Look at mommy and smile. Okay. What? Hindi kasi nakuha.
Waiting at the doorstep, finally home. Haven't gone for long.
Mahal, actually, parang ano, mas puti pa nga sa Boracay. Ay, mas pino.
Smooth masyado nga eh.
Diba? Sobrang pino. Oh.
Tsaka hindi siya magasbang sa kamay.
Kaya nga, parang
Ang dulas.
Parang halukot. Bibig mainit. Ali! Oh! Castle is too small. I get the...
Tally, what are you doing? Tally, look, I have a starfish.
Oh, yes.
Picture, sweetheart. How can you take a picture? It's just video.
Wala picture. Wala pa na signal.
Ito, meron. Wait lang. Sabi ko.
Yung sabi ko, parang mas gusto ko pa siya sa, ano, sa Boracay.
Kasi ang smooth ng ano, ng sand.
Sobrang ano, eh no, parang ang tumatapak sa ano,
Ang smooth masyado.
sobrang lambot.
Parang ganito sa ano, sa Station 1 ng Boracay. Pero parang mas smooth.
Parang yun yung buhangin dun sa ano, sa station 1.
Parang ito ang tula sa paa.
Sobrang
Tapos pag-awan mo, isang init. Parang ang warm.
Tsaka hindi siya crowded kasi wala siyang ano.
Kaya nga hindi siya crowded ang peaceful.
Yung mga kainan natin, yung mga restaurant sa
Oo naman, maganda. Pero parang kung gusto mo
Sinabi
ng
ko lang,
peace,
parang mas nagugustuhan ko.
ako din, parang mas number 1 na to sa akin.
Mas relax.
Pangalawa na yung Cora.
We collide, we break down,
Haven't done enough.
caving in to our doubts.
Lahat.
Faces filled with
Just smile.
sadness.
Oh, you wanna go to the playground?
When words are said